All right, so one of the questions that my students get asked in their labs is, why is the fan shroud important? So we're looking at this engine right here that does not have a fan shroud to kind of illustrate why it's important. So if this fan was rotating and is trying to pull air through this radiator, that air is going to follow the path of least resistance. So what percentage of that air is going to come through this radiator across this fan, and what percentage is going to go around the radiator and through the fan? That is why a fan shroud is important, because the fan shroud directs the air that the fan is pulling, making sure that it comes through the coolers instead of some of it coming around the coolers. So you can see that on this one wouldn't have a very efficient cooling system without that shroud. If we go over here and we look at another engine, this is the same engine, but this one has a fan shroud. And you can see how the fan is kind of set into the shroud. So when this fan is spinning, the air that it's pulling, because of this shroud, it has to pull it through the cooler. What I get on a lot of the answers to that question is that it protects people, it keeps things from dropping into the fan, and those are great. Those are excellent side benefits of having a shroud. Don't get me wrong. You know, the shroud will protect your fingers sometimes. It'll keep tools or parts and, rocks or whatever from getting up in here. But what we got to keep in mind is that key purpose. The key purpose is to direct airflow. Every other answer you give about that fan shroud is just a side benefit. It's something that, yay, that's positive, that's good, right? So shroud, good, directs airflow, more air coming through the radiator, better cooling efficiencies. No fan shroud, some of that air is going to go around it, not as much airflow through the coolers, less cooling efficiency. So I hope that clears up some of the questions about what a fan shroud is for. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and please support my Amazon channel. Link is in the description and in the comments. Thank you.